welcome to my new blog post number 11. So in this blog post, I'm just going to discuss about the operations management. Basically, operation management is an area that is actually outside the scope of formal project management, and this blog post just covers a basic definition of operations management with respect to project management. So let's start. So basically, operations management is more concerned with the ongoing production of goods or services, and it actually ensures that the business operations basically continue efficiently by using the optimal resources needed to meet customer demand. It is actually more concerns with respect to managing processes and that transforms the inputs into outputs. For example, there is a material, and after processing it, like after going through the set of operations, uh, it will be converted into a product or some kind of a good. So basically, changes in business or organizational operations may be the focus of project, especially when there are substantial changes to business operations as a result of a new product or service delivery. Ongoing operations are outside of the scope of the project. However, there are intersecting points where the two areas actually basically cross. So these areas are when developing a new product, upgrading a product, or expanding outputs, while actually improving the operations or the product development process. At the end of product life cycle, at each closeout phase of the operations. Okay, so basically it means like these are the areas or these are the key areas at which you can actually initiate a project, or project management will help you uh, in order to perform certain action. So at each point, deliverable and knowledge are basically transferred between the project and operations for implementation of the delivered work. So the implementation occurs through a transfer of project resources or knowledge to operations, or through a transfer of operational resources to the project.